Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Vamsi and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about the loops. I think you guys know about the loops. So I'm gonna start with the loop called for loop. For loop. Well, it looks like this. First I'm gonna write it and then I'm gonna tell what it will do, okay? Loop also looks like a kind of if statement. And now what we wanna do is wanna do like print the values of I here, okay? This is a for loop. Now let's compile and run it. Prints all the values of I from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to separate them by a line, then you can do it by putting backslash and line separator. You'll get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Now let's see what the for loop is doing. Here, when it enters the for loop, you have to give like three what things. The first thing is we have to initialize it. That is, initialize I equal to 0. You can either write I equal to 0 here, or you don't have to write anything here. That is, you can initialize even here. It will even work. And the second thing is you have to write the condition. What this condition will do is it will check the condition, and if the condition is true, then only it will go inside to the for loop and it will execute this. Okay, this one. So and after this statement is executed, what it will do is it will again go back to the start and will check for the condition. But before going back and checking the condition, it will increment the value, okay, by 1. I by 1, we are putting it I plus plus, right? I plus plus is a unary operator, increment operator, so it will increment the value of I by 1. So now what are the steps that will happen here? At first I is 0, so it will enter here because I 0 is less than 5, and it will print 0. Then again here when it is n, it will increase the value of I by 1. You can either write I plus plus here, or you can also write I equal to I plus 1 here. Both the same. So now after increasing it will go here. Now the value of I is 1, okay? It won't go here again, it will only go for here. This is just the initialization here. This is the initialization, okay? Now if the I value is 1, inside again it will print the value of 1. It will increment the value of I. Now I is 2, less than 5, so come here, print 2. Come here, become 3. 3 is less than 5, so come here, print 3. Here 4. 4 is less than 5, print 4. And then become 5. It will come here because I is equal to 5. It won't come here, so it will come out of the loop and it will end the program, okay? I think you guys understood it, right? For the for loop we need three things. One is the initialization here, down there in I equal to 0. You can initialize it outside of the for, it doesn't matter because only at the starting stage you need it. Starting stage of the loop, okay? But the main thing is the middle one. In the middle the condition is needed here, you can't write else. And the next one is incrementation or decrementation or anything, or some operation that you can write it either here or you can write at the end of the for loop. Both are fine. Now the thing is all the are separated by a semicolon, okay? And this is how the for loop will be executed. You can do many operations using for loop, and I hope guys you guys understood it. And in the next video I'm going to be talking about the while loop.